All right, folks, welcome back to BrisketMedic. It is a hot summer day, and the best thing to eat on a warm summer evening when you're out enjoying your family is fajitas. And so today we're going to be doing that on the channel. To start off, we're going to start about 2 hours before we're cooking, and we're going to take our skirt steak. I've got this beautiful skirt steak that I bought. It looks great. I'm not even going to trim this one up. It's good as is. And this is going to be for me and the girls, so this size is more than enough. And then we're going to take our gallon bag for marination. We're going to slide it in there. Now, I've got a marinade that I used to build myself, and it was great, especially for competitions, but we're at home. We want to make things easier. So at home, if I can get it in the bag. So at home, we're just going to make things easier. So I'm going to set this to the side, and I'm going to show you what we're using. And we're just going to use a couple of things for marinade. We're going to start with the Allegro brisket and fajita gold buckle sauce. Now, this is really good. I'm going to use about 3/4 of this bottle, which is 16 ounces. So I'll use about 12 ounces of this, and then I'm going to use some orange juice. Now, this is not the pulp orange juice. I'm going to use right around 8 to 10 ounces of this as well. That's going to help not only give flavor, but also the orange juice is going to tenderize our meat some. So we're going to get it in there, and we're going to pop this in the fridge. I'll see you in a couple hours or in just a few minutes. We're going to light up the Weber with some Smoky Woods barbecue lump charcoal, and we're going to grill these fajitas off and show you how we like to make them. About 10 ounces of this. Beautiful. Our gold buckle. Make sure you shake this stuff up really well before you use it. Pour about 3/4 of this bottle in there. Ooh, beautiful. A little bit more. Beautiful. We're going to zip it up. We're going to get all the air out of this bag as possible. Boom. Shake it around. I like to take and flip this over and move it every 30 minutes or so. So in 2 hours, it'll be ready to cook. All right, guys, it's been a couple of hours, actually about 2.5, but we're ready to throw our steak, our fajita skirt steak, onto the grill. Now, I've got my Weber piping hot with Smoky Woods barbecue lump coal. It is hot, hot, and it's time for us to throw this down. Now, to the side, I've got all my veggies sliced up and ready to go. We're going to throw that on some foil and put that on there just to saute them up a little bit, get them done just a little, not too much, but I want you to see this. We're not going to shake this off. We're not going to rinse it off, nothing. We're going to put it straight on there, and then we're going to hit it with a little bit of seasoning once we're done. But all we're going to do is take it right out of the bag. Look at that. Take it right out of the bag, throw it right onto the grill. It is windy. We got storms moving in. There's a couple of tornadoes about an hour away from here, but we're safe here. It's just going to enjoy the wind. It finally cooled off below 90. Let's stick it down. And just like Arnie teaches us, we're going to flippity-flip this every 30, 45 seconds. We're going to go for a medium rare finish. We'll let it rest to the side, and then we're going to throw some corn on there. We're going to have some fajitas. Beautiful color. All right, for our veggies, we're just going to toss them in here. And we're going to throw some of Smitty's over at Loot and Booty, El Jefe Grande, on there, just to give them a little bit of seasoning. I'm going to wrap it up and throw it on the grill. All right, so this is finished up. It's going to be a nice medium finish. Look at that beautiful char. What we're going to do to finish this up is we're just going to hit it with a little bit of duck fat spray. Beautiful. We're going to hit it with some El Jefe Grande. It's a great combination with all those flavors that we put in there with the marinade. Not a ton, just a little bit. Beautiful. All right, we're going to wrap this up. We're going to let it set while those vegetables are cooking up. Then I'm going to take about half of the husk off the corn and throw the corn on there and let that steam for a little while. So we've got our fajita meat made, we've got our onions, our bell peppers, all that good stuff sauteed up. We've got our corn, it grilled, it steamed, and then I flipped it, grilled it, added some butter to it, and then I put the tortillas on the grill and let them warm up. So we got that ready to go. So let's cut into this steak and see how it looks. Wonderful char on it. Take our kitchen perfection knife here, and we're going to cut it this way first. You see the grains there? Cut it with the grain. Look at there. Perfect medium. Set that to the side. And then we're going to cut against the grain. Nice little pink there. It'll bloom out. See how beautiful pink that is. Great medium. I was hoping for medium rare, but that grill was super hot. All right, so let's go ahead and build us a fajita. Start with our beautiful tortillas that we grilled up. It's got a nice color on it. They're nice and warm. I'm gonna throw some of this skirt steak on there. Nice and tender. Throw some of this veggies on there, some bell peppers and onions and all that good stuff. And then I'm gonna throw a Mexican blend of cheese on there. I got kind of lazy this weekend. I bought some shredded cheese instead of shredding my own. But let's try it. Lots of flavor, tender. Skirt steak isn't tender, so it's usually really chewy. Now this isn't like the spinalis of a ribeye tender, but it is a lot more tender than the skirt steak. That's that orange juice in the marinade. It's absolutely delicious. Girls, you want to try it?
Sure.
Okay.
I just act like you'd like it, even if Dad's cooking is not good, okay?
That's good.
Good?
Good.
Good. How many thumbs up do I get? None from you? Oh, okay. Perfect.
All right, I'm gonna get these girls inside. We're gonna eat. We're gonna enjoy this corn on the cob. For the corn, all I'm gonna add is a little bit of salt, maybe a little mayonnaise and chili powder. Make it kind of an elote style corn, and have some fajitas and just enjoy the evening with them. It's finally cooled down below 99 today, and we're just gonna kind of enjoy the evening. Make sure you like, you subscribe, and always drink more water.